Hello people, hi, this is Shruti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I've been doing this Diwali series of 2 videos, one was very heavy makeup. Now this video is all about the simplicity and the basic glam look that everybody needs. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is use a very good moisturizer which is hydrating, because my skin is very dry. So I'm using this Pond's Light Moisturizer for soft and glowing skin, and I've been using this for some time and I am absolutely loving the formula. So the next thing that I'm going to do is use this primer from Maybelline. This is Master Prime by Face Studio. Next I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal. Next I'm taking this compact powder from Sugar. Next is this blush from Oriflame. Next I'm going to use this palette from Revolution. We are going in with this color first. Next we are going in with this brown color right here. Putting it in like my outer corner of my eyes and just blending it in. Just want to take a kajal now. So this is the kajal from Maybelline. So the sticker has come off with the name. So we're just gonna draw a rough line. I'm gonna take a brush again and going in with the brown color again. I'm gonna blend this black. Now I'm going in with this whitish shimmery color and this brownish shimmery color. So that's it for the eyes. Now I'm going in with my mascara. So I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Also done with my mascara. Now my under eyes look a little empty, so I'm going to use this silver pencil from NY Bay. So I'm first going to put some lip balm so that my lips keep itself from drying out. So today I'm using this Oriflame lip balm. So next I'm gonna use this lipstick from Sugar, which is Peachy Little Liars. This is actually a very good color. So now before applying any lipstick, if you put lip balm, what it does is actually give you a gloss that everybody needs when they are going out, because you want your lips to not be matte and cracky. You want your lips to look hydrated. So I'm done with my lips. Now last part is the highlighter. So I have this highlighter from Iconic London. I'm gonna apply 2 highlighters, so that is the reason if you can't see this one, but it's very pigmented and I can see it clearly. So there is no hard and fast rule for applying highlighter or using a certain amount, because highlighter is something that you can want and need any time of the day. Now I'm going in with my highlighter, which is Wet n Wild Illuminating Highlighter. The last step is the setting spray that I'm using from LA Girl. So hey guys, that's all for this video. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also comment down below what you want to see next. I do polls on what I'm going to post next week on my Instagram handle, which is linked here or here somewhere like that. And happy Diwali from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next. I just want somebody to
love me like that.